So I was specifically looking for cosmetic science. I wanted to have professors that actually worked in the industry as a formulator.
In the beginning, it was kind of challenging because I didn't know what to expect. And then obviously being by yourself, I was just like, how am I going to do this? Having that type of faculty with this kind of interesting program with the distance learning, they are available anytime that you need them. So that's been really helpful.
Because this program allows you to work at your own pace, I've been continuing to work full-time. I've been able to apply the things that I've learned immediately to the things that I do. I work in the industry. I'm better able to communicate with my coworkers and cross-functional teams, so it's been a wonderful experience.
This program has allowed me to break into the industry and make a lot of connections, which I wouldn't have gotten. If you are passionate about beauty, personal care, even home care and cosmetics, this is definitely a program that can set you up for success.